NTT Data and Salesforce together transform organizations for success by delivering unique end-to-end services with our partner ecosystem that help you truly understand and engage with your customers and catapult loyalty and growth. With unparalleled personalized customer care, AI-driven insights, and optimized sales and customer data, and intelligent sales capabilities and strategies directed by effective data-driven decisions. Together, NTT Data and Salesforce simplify complex integration and automate workflows to turn challenges into opportunities. By driving digital transformation with Gen AI, data, and CRM, and capitalizing on data insights to create a 360 view of customers and streamlined customer journey. We'll help you implement intelligent sales practices and access the best sustainability solutions to meet net zero goals. We demystify complex ecosystems and omnichannels and seamlessly integrate new solutions with complex existing ecosystems. For example, we helped a major aircraft manufacturer to promote digital transformation within their repair and asset management department by deploying Manufacturing Cloud and other Salesforce modules. A global telecommunication company relies on NTT Data for the integration of Data Cloud, Marketing Cloud personalization, and Advertising Studio to comprehensively manage their B2B marketing campaigns. This unifies all customer data points to create customized experiences and content. As an award-winning Salesforce partner and a top MuleSoft Global Partner, NTT Data has unrivaled knowledge of Salesforce and MuleSoft to guide omnichannel, integration, data, and AI strategies, and revolutionize your business for success. Maximize potential today and tomorrow with NTT Data and Salesforce. Together, we ignite tomorrow, today.